Ever wondered what would happen if bats disappeared? Spoiler alert. It's not just spooky forests and Halloween decorations that would take a hit. Our entire ecosystem could start to unravel. Bats are nighttime pollinators, kind of like bees, but goth. Over 500 plant species, including bananas, mangoes, avocados, and even agave. Yep, the stuff in your tequila, depend on bats to bloom and fruit. And they're insect-eating machines. Some bats chow down their entire body weight in bugs every night. That includes crop pests like beetles, moths, and mosquitoes. One colony in the US was found to eat 1.3 million pests a year, saving farmers billions in pesticides. But wait, there's more. Bats help replant forests by spreading seeds over massive distances, especially in places hit by deforestation. Think of them as flying gardeners, rewilding the planet while we sleep. But climate change is putting them in danger. Hotter roosts are killing bat pups. And as the planet warms, some species are getting bigger, needing more food, just as insects are disappearing. It's a dangerous mismatch. Bats might not get the love that pandas or dolphins do, but without them we'd lose fruit, forests, pest control, and maybe even that weekend margarita.